The best way to get ready for an IR is to have IRs. The second best way to get ready for an IR is to work through tabletops. This coming Tuesday, on April 7th, I'll be teaching tabletops at BsidesOK in Glenpool, Oklahoma. These are not the same old tabletops that organizations have been doing for 20 years. When I started doing tabletops 10, 15 years ago, I didn't call them tabletops. Instead, they were drills. I was working through these drills, helping us understand what we needed to know, the skills we needed to have, and the abilities we needed to practice. Over time, I had people asking me to come in and do these same drills for them. I put them together, and that was the tabletops. One of the greatest compliments I've ever gotten is I've had several senior leaderships clear their day after the first tabletop because they saw the value in what we were doing, and therefore they stayed through the rest of the day. Now, we all know how hard it is to get leadership in the room. These tabletops get them in the room and they have fun. On April 7th, we'll be covering the difference between decision-based tabletops and scenario-based tabletops. We'll be covering 6 or 7 different types. We'll discuss why they're useful and in some cases why they're not useful. I love helping organizations improve their programs, and I feel tabletops are one of the best ways to test their skills. Come and join me. BsidesOK, Glenpool, Oklahoma.